Today I'm gonna take you to a magical place just 30 minutes away from Mazunte. So if you guys want to know everything about this magical place, keep watching my video until the end. And for the new members of my lovely world, my name is Diana Hernandez and I do videos about my traveling adventures. And if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, this is the opportunity to do so. And also don't forget to click the notification button so you don't miss any of my future traveling videos. This video starts right now. But before I even continue with my video, I wanted to share with you guys that I finally finished the creation of my online course where I teach influencers how to make money on Facebook and Instagram, how to be your own boss, how to create content, how to travel the world, how to get free stays at hotels with breakfast, lunch, and dinner included, and a lot more. I also teach business owners how to create an online presence. And if you think this is for you, if this resonates with you, all you have to do is click the link down below and download my free masterclass. Now, let's go back to my video. This place honestly is just breathtaking. It's so beautiful, it's so peaceful. And guess what? The water here is less wild than the one in Mazunte. So I'm actually gonna jump into this beautiful water because it's very quiet and calm, similar to the one in Miami. The one in Mazunte is amazing, but it's so strong, it's so wild. The waves are way too big for me. Wow, this is paradise, guys. I guess we are not going. Well, I would love to go. They're going to a different island just 2 hours away from here. Very beautiful, where you can eat raw fish, oysters, ceviche, and all that. But I'm not feeling good. My friend is staying with me, so I don't stay alone. It's only us in this entire beautiful paradise. I don't know, I'm not feeling so good today, and it's so hot in my room. But I found this bed right in front of the ocean, so here is a little cooler. Wow, not every adventure has a happy journey. At the hospital, my friends came to help me, and we found a scorpion. I'm telling you, adventures, but I am feeling much better now that I have the IV. Where is the IV? Somewhere. I'm not aiming to it. Okay, yeah. And I feel like in heaven, the doctor put so many vitamins in there. I'm like flying in the sky.
Lights on it, and if it's venomous, that
Another great place to watch the sunset is right here in Mermejita. You can walk from the same place where you take to go to Punta Cometa and just keep going up the hill straight, and then you will end up in a beautiful beach. Oh my God, it is my first time here. My friend Diana came the other day, but I was really tired, so I fell asleep. I couldn't make it, but oh my God, let me show you guys. This is so beautiful. You guys know that I love to do what locals do. So my friend, who's almost a local because he's been here for the past 10 years, he's gonna take me to have local food. We just arrived to this magical place called Isidro Lagoon, but before we even go swimming, we decided to eat some typical food from this beautiful place that I'm gonna show you. My friend is gonna have some fish that I don't know what it is, like a soup, so I'm gonna show you that soup, but I'm gonna have something simple, just shrimp with
garlic and some hot sauce. But I wish that you can perceive how quiet this place is, how it's just like beautiful. So finally our food is here. It tastes amazing and I love spicy food, but this one is really spicy. The taste is amazing. Shrimp a la diabla. Mexican style. The food here was amazing. We're so full that I think I'm gonna crash into this hammock that you see right here on my right hand side. But I am going to explain to you guys how to get here, because this place is apparently for locals only. But I'm trying to make you come here because the food is amazing. It is very quiet. It feels like so peaceful, and the landscape is so beautiful, and it's totally worth it to come, and it's so close to Mazunte. So if you are just one day in Mazunte, you should include this spot. So let me explain how to get here. How to get to San Isidro. So in order for you guys to get here from Mazunte, you're gonna take the road that is gonna take you to San Antonio, which is the neighbor little town next to Mazunte. From there, you're gonna take the road that is gonna take you towards Puerto Escondido. Once you are in that road, which is San Antonio going towards Puerto Escondido, you're gonna drive like 20 minutes. I don't know how many kilometers, but I'm gonna figure that out and I'm gonna put it on the title. Or you can ask anybody. You're gonna do the same thing that we do in Colombia. We just ask questions and they just tell you make a left in the yellow house or make a right in the red house, and then you will find this beautiful paradise and you're gonna eat amazing organic healthy food right next to this beautiful lagoon. You can also swim in the lagoon. I'm not swimming today because we were really hungry when we first got here, and now I'm super full, but you can totally swim here. And the weather here is not as crazy as it is in Mazunte. Here you can actually feel the breeze. It's a lot cooler. I mean, not cooler, it's just a little less hotter and humid than in Mazunte. So you definitely have to try this place. And right here está la señora que nos cocinó la comida súper rica. ¿Cómo se llama usted, señora?
Yo me llamo Maite.
Maite, la señora Maite nos cocinó la comida fresquita aquí en su cocina, todo súper saludable. So I'm gonna translate to you guys. La señora Maite, Mrs. Maite, is the one that cooked our amazing food right here, fresh, organic from her kitchen, amazing kitchen, it smells so good. Thank you, Maite. Gracias, Maite.
Invitamos a que vengan a disfrutar los ricos pescados de laguna, puro pescadito de laguna aquí.
Frescos.
Frescos. De aquí de la laguna a Espalagar.
So she's saying that they're fresh fish catch from the lagoon. And after having a fantastic lunch at the San Isidro Lagoon, we decided to go to the beach, and this is what happened. Well guys, everything comes to an end. Today was an amazing day, and if you think you learned something, if you think there's any value in this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the notification button so you don't miss any of my traveling adventures. I see you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao.